It's the most wonderful day of the month. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've made a video. I actually have not filmed a video since last month's Boxycharm unboxing. Yeah, sorry. Life gets busy. I don't have time to film, but we're back. I'm going to try and get back to filming at least one video a week, but we'll see how it goes. But let's get right into this box. So, of course, same as always, I always just dig out the card to see what I can have on my face when the video starts, which it's nothing today. And this month's Boxycharm's theme is Au Naturel, which, can you even read that? Yeah, okay. So let's dive right into the box. The first thing in here is this, and this is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And this retails for $35. I'm assuming this is a full size. It says nourishing prebiotic green mask. Apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic, and remove after 10 minutes with a damp cloth. So we're gonna put this on our face. Let me pull my hair back real quick. Okay, now I'm ready. So I'm gonna give this a little shake, and we're gonna slap this on and hope it goes good. It smells herbally, natural, you know. It's green. You know what it smells like is, did you guys ever use, Neutrogena, that stuff in the tubs, like those big giant tubs, when you were like a teenager? This is what it smells like eucalyptus and mentholy, which I guess is what's going to make my face tingle, but so far no tingling. Just feels very hydrating. And this is probably definitely not going to be one that like dries down all the way. Seems like. Ooh, cut my hair. Okay. So I got a light layer of that on. I'm going to let this sit on for 10 minutes like it says, and then I will, I got it everywhere. I'll go wash this off, and I'll be back in just a minute. Thanks. Okay, so I left that on for 10 minutes and washed it off. It definitely tingles. It feels like mentholy on your face, especially on your nose and your mouth, but skin looks fine. I'm sure it's just supposed to like moisturize. It says formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils and rich omega fatty acids to help support skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for fresh looking complexion. So yeah, just supposed to moisturize and brighten. So looks good. So I'm going to jump off camera and do my face makeup because there's no face products in the rest of this. So I will be back in just a minute. Okay, we're back. So I did my face makeup. I just put on a little bit of bronzer, brows, of course foundation and concealer. So let's move on to the next thing in the box, which is this. And this is a Luxie Gia, I don't know how to say that. I don't know. It even says how to pronounce it on here, and I still can't do it. So it's a 3-piece brush set. It says create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. And this retails for $30. So, excuse me. We get a lot of Luxie brushes in Boxycharm, but you know what? They're always great brushes. They're super soft. They work good. They don't shed. So I'm always happy about it. I will say the one thing I don't like is these flat foundation brushes. The only thing I use these for is like applying masks or like tapping out a concealer before I use my beauty blender, but I don't really use these that much. But whatever, it's good to have one. And then it comes with 2 little eyeshadow brushes, a big fluffy, like this is a really fluffy crease brush, and then a little just flat shader, regular, or what are those called? Precision something. I don't know, whatever. Okay, and then after that, the next thing in the palette is, of course, an eyeshadow palette, and it is by Butter London. Oh, this is actually really cute packaging. It's like wood with little flowers on it. Super cute. But this says, let's see, it's called the Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette, serving queendom realness. Bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And this is $32. The way it's described doesn't make me think this is going to be a natural eyeshadow palette, but it's a natural box, right? Let's see. Okay, I mean, it's not the most wearable colors in the world, but they're actually all really pretty. So let's the last 2 are mattes and the rest are shimmers. So yeah, I guess let's create a little eye look real quick. With this, there is no like transition color in this, so let's see what I can come up with. So I'm going to take that really, really dark chocolate brown called Temptress on that fluffy brush. Tap it off very lightly. And let's just kind of apply this in the crease. Very, very lightly. Yeah, this color's a little dark to be using as a transition, but that's fine. We're gonna make it work. Okay, and then let's take the color Diva, which is like the bronzy color, on my finger. Ooh. That's pretty, very bronze. I'm kind of making a mess, going everywhere, but who cares? Okay. Then I'm going to take that brush and blend out the edges again. Okay, that's pretty. And then I think I'm going to take the matte blue. I might regret this totally. But I'm going to take that on that flat eyeshadow brush. And we're going to pop it on the lower lash line. And try not to make ourselves look too crazy, because I am going out in public after this, so I might scare some people, but it's cool. It's a really pretty, like, teal blue. I don't really wear these colors because I have hazel green eyes, so blue eyeshadow doesn't really look great on me, but it's fun to play with every once in a while. Right? What fun is makeup if you can't play with it and just wash it off? Okay, so next thing in the box is this. And this is by Pure, and it is their Pro Eyelash Curler. It says you're about to take your lashes to new lengths. Literally, I can't say that word. Prep lashes for a coat of your favorite mascara with your new Pure Eyelash Curler. Instantly perk up each individual lash for a look you will love. And this is $18. So, let's try this. I don't really curl my lashes very much because I really don't need it, but it's always good to have an eyelash curler, right? See if I can get down at the base. Can you see a difference? No? Okay, let's try this side. Anything? I don't know. We'll keep playing with it. I'm going to pop some mascara and blush on, highlighter, that stuff, and we'll be right back to do the last thing in the box. Okay, that's better. And before I forget, I'm just going to put a little bit of an inner corner highlight in too. I wanted to use the lightest shade in the palette called Enchantress, which is just like a nice champagne-y, sparkly shimmer. Pretty, and then whatever's left I'll just take under my brow bone. You know, I probably shouldn't be highlighting them because they are a little bit hairy. Okay, so now let's move on to the last thing in the box, which is this. Whoa. I had the box sitting like on the table over here, and this was like in this corner back here, so I couldn't see it. I had no idea it was that color. It's bright. Okay, so of course this is an Ofra liquid lipstick, which we get all the time in Boxycharm, but they're really great, comfortable liquid lipsticks that last all day. They don't get really cracky and dry. Like, they're just always really good. So these retail for $20, and this is in the shade Santorini. And it is a fuchsia. So, here we go. I don't think I've ever worn a lipstick this shade in my life. It kind of scares me. Oh, and it's metallic. Okay. I mean, that's bright, but I ain't mad at it. Like, actually, that looks pretty good. Not with the blue eyeshadow that I just put on. Obviously, that's not, yeah. But with the neutral eyeshadow look, or some, like, no eyeshadow look, you know? So, yeah. So, all in all, that was a pretty decent box. It wasn't one of my favorites, but it was still a good box. I'm excited to keep playing with the mask. I love masks, so those are always fun. The eyeshadow palette, it's pretty. It's not anything crazy, but I will keep playing with it. Eyeshadow curler, I don't really use ever. This, I don't know if I'm ever really going to wear this, but we'll see. And of course the brushes I like, because, yeah. Okay, guys, well, that was it for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, so please give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.